What's up guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a hair review. A company from Amazon, I do not know how to pronounce the name. They went ahead and sent me a braided wig, so we're gonna do something different today. Okay, so this is the hair right here. I will put the company's name right here, and it will also be in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Again, I do not know how to pronounce their name. Okay, it is, I believe it's Fecior, F-E-C-I-H-O-R. Okay y'all, so this is their 36-inch full synthetic lace wig, braided wig, and they do have boho curly ends to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what they're talking about. So this is the wig, y'all. Make sure to get it in frame. This is what the wig is looking like. It's really long, which I love me some long hair, and the ends are curly. And it feels really good. Like, it feels like some real braided hair. Like, not real braided hair, but you know when you get your hair braided, that's what it feels like. Okay, so it is a full lace wig. I'll show y'all what it is looking like. There's parting all throughout the hair, and it looks really natural, y'all. Like, all of the parts are even. Some parts are not bigger than others, or some sections aren't bigger than others. And this is what the hairline is looking like. It does have some baby hairs on the hairline, so that's good. So it does have 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 in the nape area, and it does have an elastic band, and it does have adjustable straps over here. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and put her on. As y'all can see, I already have my wig cap on, so we're gonna see how this turns out. Oh y'all, what in the world am I getting myself into? Okay, I don't even know if this is gonna work out. Like, I would need to cut right here, but then I would have to cut the braid, and we don't want to cut the braid, y'all. The actual cap is a little small for me, for my head. Okay y'all, so I don't know if I can install this wig on camera, because I'm gonna have to do a lot to this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig, and I'll be back when it's time to do some baby hairs, okay? Y'all, okay, so I have the wig on. Now, it's giving very much lace. More like lace than scalp. It looks good though, it looks good. I'm impressed so far, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the parts with some makeup. So I have a makeup palette right here, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of fill it in. Looking really good, y'all. Like, I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. The lace is off, and so now I just do these baby hairs. Yeah, these baby hairs are pretty long, y'all. Now this top part is a little puffy, so this is what the wig is looking like, y'all. This wig is so like, it's so cute and it looks so real. Like, look at that. Let me come up closer so y'all can see. Now do y'all see them parts though? It's looking real. Now it's looking like scalp. I'm gonna turn around and show the back, y'all. Now I did not cut the lace in the back, but this is what the back of the hair is looking like. Y'all can see all of the parts. Now the actual curly part of the wig, it's like, it's really soft, really soft. So I really like this wig. Like, I'm really shocked. I am super shocked. I can part it down the middle, but I never wear my hair like braids parted down the middle. It just looks weird to me. Okay, so this is going to be like my initial review about this wig. So one, the braids itself, they're not itchy, they're really soft. I really like it. The lace, I would say, is easy to blend. It did not give me any issues, any problem. I did not use my melting band to melt the lace because I'm not going to be really going out anywhere, but I think that it blended in really well. I did have to apply some makeup, but that's with any other wig. It is looking very real, you guys. Like, I'm shocked. I am so shocked. So whenever I feel like having some braids in my hair, I could literally just throw this wig on. I thought it was gonna be a challenge because the cap was a bit small, but I made it work. I do have a big head, but I made it work. I would say fullness of it, I do kind of wish that there was a little bit more braids than this. This is all of the hair pulled to the front. It may look full, but it doesn't feel full. However, with that being said, it's very light. Okay, y'all, very light. I want to say I give this wig a 9 out of 10. The only reason why I give it a 9 out of 10 is because the cap was a bit of a challenge for me to fit on my head. I can deal with the density of this. Again, I do wish it was a little bit fuller, maybe like an additional 10 braids in the back. And then I'll be satisfied. Now, whenever I decide I want to go on vacation and I want some braids, I don't have to sit in the chair for 6 hours. I can just put this wig on in an hour tops and we're good to go. That's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this braided wig. Again, the link to this wig will be in the description box down below, and it will also be on my Amazon storefront, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Okay, Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye, guys.